Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Riska Listiyana. My NPM 2341142. I'm from Management Class 23B. So today we're going to talk about something super important. It's global and international issue. These are problems that don't just belong to one country. They're the kind of issue that connect all of us. No matter where we live, in today's world, everything is linked. What happens in one country can quickly affect another. That's why it's important to understand that issue, because they shape the world we live in today and the world we'll live in tomorrow. Now, let's break it down a little. When we say global issue, we mean problems that affect the whole planet, like climate change, poverty, or global health. And international issues are the ones that involve how countries interact. For example, trade, war, or cooperation, even though they are different, they actually connect. A global problem usually needs countries to work together. For instance, climate change is a global issue, but it needs international action to solve. So, why today's issue even exists? Well, the main reason is globalization. The world more connected than ever. People, product, information, they all move fast. But when good things travel faster, bad things do too. Add to that overpopulation, economic inequality, and damage to our environment. And boom, we've got global challenge that affect everyone. What one country does, like cutting down forests or polluting the air, doesn't just stay there, it spreads and the whole world feels it. There are so many global issues happening right now. We've got climate change, poverty, global health problems, human rights violation, and environment damage. As one of these is serious, climate change makes weather unpredictable. Poverty keeps millions of people from living decently, and human rights violations remind us that equality and justice are still goals we're trying to reach. The truth is, no single country can fix these problems alone. It takes all of us working together. Let's talk more about climate change. It happened because of pollution, deforestation, and using too many fossil fuels. There's thin release gas that trap heat in our atmosphere, and that's what causes global warming. As a result, we see rising sea levels, floods, drought, and extreme weather. That's why countries all around the world signed the Paris Agreement, a promise to work together to reduce emissions and protect the Earth. It's one of the best examples of how global teamwork can create real impact. Another big example is global health. Remember the COVID-19 pandemic? It showed just how connected we really are. A virus that started in one part of the world spread everywhere in just a few months. It taught us that health problems can be handled alone. We need cooperation. Countries had to share information, research, and vaccine. Organizations like the World Health Organization or WHO played a huge role in coordinating global response. It's proof that when the world works together, we're stronger. Now, you might be wondering, okay, but why should we care? Because this issue affects use, even if we don't see them directly, war in another region can raise fuel price here. Pollution in one country can change the weather somewhere else. Everything connects, and that means every small action counts. Learning more about this issue, saving energy, supporting eco-friendly brands, or just spreading awareness. When millions of small actions happen together, they make a huge difference. So, to wrap it all up, we all share one world, one responsibility, and one future. Global and international issues remind us that we are all part of the same story. Solving them takes teamwork between nations, between communities, and between people like us. If we stay aware, care about others, and do our part, we can help build a world that's fairer, cleaner, and safer for everyone. So much material that I can convey. Please apologize if there is a mistake in the pronunciation of words. Thank you for watching until the end. I end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.